Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that has been on the minds of many crypto enthusiasts: the next Bitcoin bull run and the predictions surrounding it. If you've been following the cryptocurrency market, you know that Bitcoin has had its fair share of ups and downs. But what does the future hold? In this video, we'll explore the factors that could trigger the next bull run, analyze expert predictions, and discuss what this means for investors like you. First, we'll take a look at the historical context of Bitcoin's price movements. Understanding past trends can provide valuable insights into what might happen next. We'll examine previous bull runs, the catalysts behind them, and how they compare to the current market landscape. This historical perspective will help us frame our discussion and give you a clearer picture of what to expect. Next, we'll delve into the key indicators that analysts are watching closely. From market developments, we'll break down the elements that could influence Bitcoin's price trajectory. We'll also touch on the role of institutional investment and how it has changed the game for Bitcoin. With more big players, dynamics are shifting, and it's crucial to understand how this could impact future price movements. Additionally, we'll highlight some of the most credible predictions from industry experts. While no one can predict the future with absolute certainty, we'll share insights from analysts who have a track record of accuracy. These predictions will help you gauge the potential for growth and the risks involved, allowing you to make informed decisions. Understanding these predictions is vital for anyone involved in cryptocurrency investing. The market can be volatile, and having a grasp on what might happen next can help you navigate the ups and downs more effectively. As we look ahead to the next Bitcoin bull run, one of the most significant trends to watch is the anticipated surge in institutional investments. Major financial institutions are increasingly recognizing Bitcoin not just as a speculative asset, but as a legitimate component of their investment portfolios. This shift is driven by a combination of factors, including the desire for diversification, inflation hedging, and the growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies in the mainstream financial landscape. In recent years, we've seen a notable change in the attitude of traditional financial institutions towards Bitcoin. Once viewed with skepticism, Bitcoin is now being embraced by banks, hedge funds, and asset management firms. This transformation is largely fueled by the increasing demand from clients who are eager to gain exposure to digital assets. Institutions are beginning to understand that Bitcoin can serve as a store of value, similar to gold, and can provide a hedge against inflation in uncertain economic times. The potential impact of this trend on Bitcoin's price cannot be overstated. As institutional investors pour capital into Bitcoin, we can expect to see increased demand, which typically drives prices higher. The influx of institutional money not only adds legitimacy to Bitcoin, but also stabilizes its price by reducing volatility. When large institutions invest, they often do so with significant capital, which can lead to substantial price movements. This trend could create a positive feedback loop, where rising prices attract even more institutional interest, further propelling Bitcoin's value. Several prominent institutions have already made headlines with their investments in Bitcoin. For instance, MicroStrategy, a business intelligence firm, has become one of the largest corporate holders of Bitcoin, purchasing over 100,000 BTC. Their CEO, Michael Saylor, has been vocal about Bitcoin's potential as a long-term asset. Similarly, Tesla made waves when it announced a $1.5 billion investment in Bitcoin, further legitimizing the cryptocurrency in the eyes of investors. Additionally, companies like Square and Fidelity have also entered the Bitcoin space, showcasing a growing trend among major players in the financial sector. As we anticipate the next Bitcoin bull run, the surge in institutional investment is a key factor to watch. With more institutions recognizing the value of Bitcoin and integrating it into their investment strategies, we could see a significant shift in the market dynamics. This trend not only enhances Bitcoin's credibility, but also sets the stage for a potentially explosive price increase, making it an exciting time for both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. As we look toward the future of Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market, One of the most critical factors to consider is the expected regulatory changes that could significantly impact its growth trajectory. The regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies is evolving rapidly, and these changes can either serve as a catalyst for growth or pose challenges that hinder progress. Understanding these potential regulations is essential for investors who want to navigate the complexities of the crypto market effectively. On one hand, there are regulations that could boost Bitcoin's growth. For instance, clearer guidelines regarding the classification of cryptocurrencies can provide much-needed legal certainty for investors and businesses alike. When governments establish frameworks that define how cryptocurrencies should be treated, whether as commodities, securities, or currencies, it can encourage institutional investment and foster innovation. Additionally, regulations that promote transparency and consumer protection can enhance investor confidence, making it easier for individuals and institutions to enter the market. Conversely, there are also potential regulations that could hinder Bitcoin's growth. Stricter rules around anti-money laundering and know-your-customer requirements could create barriers for new users, making it more challenging for them to participate in the market. Furthermore, outright bans on cryptocurrency trading or mining, as seen in some countries, can stifle innovation and drive investors away. The balance between regulation and innovation is delicate, and how governments choose to navigate this landscape will be crucial for Bitcoin's future. Investor confidence is heavily influenced by the regulatory environment. When regulations are perceived as supportive and constructive, investors are more likely to engage with the market, leading to increased demand and higher prices. Conversely, uncertainty or overly restrictive regulations can lead to fear and hesitation, causing investors to withdraw or hold back on new investments. This dynamic underscores the importance of monitoring regulatory developments closely. Several countries and regions are leading the way in establishing clear and supportive regulatory frameworks for cryptocurrencies. For example, Switzerland has become a hub for crypto innovation, with its Crypto Valley in Zug attracting numerous blockchain startups due to favorable regulations. Similarly, Singapore has implemented a progressive regulatory framework that encourages innovation while ensuring consumer protection. The European Union is also working on comprehensive regulations that aim to create a unified approach to cryptocurrency across member states. As we anticipate the next Bitcoin bull run, the impact of regulatory changes will be a key factor to watch. By understanding how these regulations can either hinder or boost Bitcoin's growth, investors can better position themselves to take advantage of the opportunities that lie ahead. As we look forward to the next Bitcoin bull run, one of the most exciting factors to consider is the role of technological advancements in shaping the future of this cryptocurrency. Innovations in technology are crucial for enhancing Bitcoin's scalability, security, and overall usability, which can significantly influence its adoption and price. Understanding these advancements is essential for investors who want to grasp the potential of Bitcoin in the coming years. One of the key technologies that could enhance Bitcoin's scalability is the Lightning Network. This Layer 2 solution allows for faster and cheaper transactions by enabling off-chain transactions. Instead of processing every transaction on the Bitcoin blockchain, the Lightning Network creates payment channels between users, allowing them to transact instantly without congesting the main network. This innovation could dramatically improve Bitcoin's transaction speed and lower fees, making it more practical for everyday use. As more users adopt the Lightning Network, we could see a surge in Bitcoin transactions, further driving demand and potentially leading to a price increase. In addition to the Lightning Network, other technological advancements are also on the horizon. For instance, improvements in Bitcoin's underlying protocol, such as the Taproot upgrade, aim to enhance privacy and efficiency. Taproot allows for more complex transactions to be executed while keeping them indistinguishable from regular transactions, thereby improving user privacy. This upgrade not only enhances security, but also opens the door for more sophisticated smart contracts on the Bitcoin network, which could attract developers and businesses looking to build on the platform. Moreover, Developments in blockchain technology, such as sharding and sidechains, could further enhance Bitcoin's scalability. Sharding involves breaking the blockchain into smaller, more manageable pieces, allowing for parallel processing of transactions. This could significantly increase the network's capacity and speed. Sidechains, on the other hand, enable the transfer of assets between different blockchains, allowing for greater flexibility and interoperability. These advancements could make Bitcoin more competitive against other cryptocurrencies that already offer high transaction speeds and scalability. As we anticipate the next Bitcoin bull run, it's essential to keep an eye on these technological advancements. The improvements in scalability and security not only enhance the user experience, but also build investor confidence in Bitcoin as a viable long-term asset. With innovations like the Lightning Network and upcoming protocol upgrades, Bitcoin is poised to become more accessible and efficient, potentially attracting a broader audience and driving demand. For investors, understanding these technological trends will be key to navigating the evolving landscape of Bitcoin and capitalizing on its future growth. As we wrap up our exploration of the next Bitcoin bull run, let's take a moment to recap the 3 shocking predictions we discussed and their implications for the future of Bitcoin. First, we examined the anticipated surge in institutional investment. Major financial institutions are increasingly recognizing Bitcoin as a legitimate asset, which could lead to significant price increases as demand rises. This trend not only enhances Bitcoin's credibility, but also stabilizes its price, making it an exciting time for both seasoned and new investors. Next, we delved into the expected regulatory changes that could shape the cryptocurrency landscape. While some regulations may pose challenges, others could provide the clarity and support needed to foster growth. Understanding how these regulations will impact investor confidence is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the crypto market effectively. Countries like Switzerland and Singapore are leading the way in establishing favorable regulatory frameworks, which could serve as a model for others. Finally, we explored the role of technological advancements in driving Bitcoin's growth. Innovations like the Lightning Network and upcoming protocol upgrades are set to enhance Bitcoin's scalability and security, making it more practical for everyday transactions. These advancements not only improve the user experience but also attract more investors, further fueling demand. Staying informed about these developments is essential for anyone involved in the cryptocurrency market. The landscape is constantly evolving, and being aware of the latest trends and predictions can help you make informed investment decisions. Whether you're a longtime Bitcoin holder or just starting your journey in the crypto world, understanding these key factors will empower you to navigate the market with confidence. If you found this video insightful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more updates and in-depth analyses on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and fellow investors. Engaging with our content not only helps you stay informed, but also supports our mission to provide valuable insights into the ever-changing world of crypto. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.